Good morning, my dear students. First of all, I would like to congratulate and welcome you all to the Department of English. I am Professor Nandakishore Mogekar, Head of the English Department. Nowadays we are passing through a very tough situation, Corona pandemic disease. It is very difficult for all of us. We know that one type of fear is there in our mind. The fear is that what will happen? What kind of changes would come in our life because of this particular pandemic situation? Because of this Corona pandemic situation, every field is affected. Everything is collapsed, is disturbed. So education is not the exception to it. It is also affected. Because of the Corona disease, we can't go to our college. We can't conduct or teaching class in our college room. But my dear students, with the help of the technology, we have to overcome it. We have to move forwards. We have to keep continuation in our learning process. And that is by using all these media, technology, we are communicating with each other. Very successfully, we have completed the first year of 3-year degree course. Of course, you might have been performed in the first semester, and you well know that the result of the second semester will be declared on the performance of the first semester. So I am sure that, and I hope that you will get a success. Without waiting result of the previous semesters, we are moving forwards. Of course, in the previous year, you had 2 papers, optional English paper and 1 compulsory English paper. In the same way, in the second year of 3-year degree course, you have 2 optional papers and 1 compulsory paper. I will deal with 1 optional English paper, and other 2 will be taught by my 2 colleagues. The paper that I am going to deal with, you might also have been known that in this particular year, the curriculum, the syllabi of the second year is completely changed, is revised. The revised syllabus has been prescribed by the university. From this particular year onwards, optional English paper syllabus is changed, is revised. So you are going to learn a revised syllabus. And the paper with which I am going to deal with is known, or the title of the paper is American Literature. American Literature, paper number 6. It is the topic which I am going to deal with. And the second paper